times have changed. The rainfall seasons have changed, and it is not behaving normally. So in an effort to help the communities to cope with the prevailing conditions, one thing is that we have taken them through that process of identifying their own problems, coming up with possible solutions, and then giving us the priorities. Based on that, we were able to come up, they were able to help them to come up with what we call community action plans. The community action plans contain proposals of what they can do to improve their livelihoods. And this chicken improvement was one of the proposals. When it passed, NDMA got support from the European Union in implementing this project. The project has got two components. One, we have got the incubator. The incubator is coupled with a solar battery, which has got 200 ampere hours, and 2 solar panels, each of 160 watts. This totals to 320 watts. So this is able to power the incubator 24 hours, and they will be able now to hatch their eggs in 21 days. Alongside that, so that we have sustainability in the project, what we have been able to do is we have provided them with 650 chicks, 1 month old chicks. These ones, once they benefit the groups or they come to the groups, they will be able now to improve the quality and the size of the chicken. We have got 8 county villages. Each of them has been given a complete set of solar panels, the battery, and the incubator. And it's the communities who chose where to place this for purposes of security and also accessibility. So after doing that, the 9th one is what we call now the learning area, the learning center, whereby it will be a demonstration area where in case of challenges, they are able now to go there and they are told on how to work on the new methodologies that are coming. The solar panel, the battery, the incubator and the controller panel, all those, that set, the 9 sets of them, each total cost is 1,350,000. The chicks which we have given them, we have given them broiler chicks, male and female. Others have gotten male chicks. Purposely, we wanted to give each of them a male chick, but it was not possible because sometimes when you buy, it is difficult to differentiate. But since we imported them at 1 month old, we have also reared them for another month, and they are now able to actually be distributed to the households. In the 8 county villages, the members chose 4 groups. And in each group, the members again chose 10 first beneficiary farmers. How this one will be sustained is, after the first hatcheries, then they will now start distributing to their other members who have not received. And the rest of the community will also be able to access and buy.
Siku ya leo tumefurahia wakati wa ASDSP2 wametuletea kuku wawili, na vile tumeona kama kikundi tutakuza hizi kuku zetu zikuwe nyingi mpaka ikuwe biashara. Hatutaki kufanya ulishaji wa kuku kama tu ya chakula ya nyumbani, lakini tunataka tuwe matajiri. Tuwe tunaweza kuuza kuku zetu mbali na tupate mafanikio.
Nasema ni asante kwake Mungu. Na ni asante kwa kuwa nimepata kuku leo. Na mimi ni mama wa kikundi cha Lioness. Na kwetu ni Kauongo. Tunaona ni vizuri kulisha kuku, lakini tulikuwa tunarisha ile ya Kikamba. Leo tumepata kuku ingine ile ya Grand. Na tunajua tutaenda mbali. Kwa hivyo tunasema ni asante kwa mradi huyu kutuletea kuku ili tuweze kuendelea. Asante.